Hi everyone, if you're interested in adding cryptocurrency data to your copy of Optuma, then there are a couple of different options available for you. So I'll start off with our end of day data. So you can add this to your account at no extra cost. The cryptocurrency deal we have is that it doesn't count as one of your 5 exchanges if you're on Trader Services, or one of your 10 exchanges on Pro Services. You can add it to your account. So log into your account page, click on the product section, modify exchanges, and then add cryptocurrency data. And we provide, I think there's like 36 different cryptocurrencies in different currency denominations. So you got Bitcoin in Aussie dollars, for example, or a Litecoin in British pound. Go to the knowledge base, search for cryptocurrencies, and you'll get extra instructions there. Now the next option is AxiTrader. Now they're a Forex broker, but they provide free real-time data for Forex, and as well as these 4 cryptos, so Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and Ripple. So you don't need an account with AxiTrader. You can just click on data, configure data providers, MT4. If I do it, it'll ask me to close the workbook, so I'm not going to run through the steps. And then just select AxiCorp, and a couple of clicks, and then you'll AxiCorp FX will be added to your account, and you can open the charts from there. And obviously, as it's real time, you will be able to drop down time frames. So that's the 1 day, but I'm just going to go down to the 60-minute chart, and you can see today it's cracked above 40,000 US. The last option I'll show you is Cryptowatch. Now this is for if you're serious about your cryptocurrencies. They have hundreds of coins in denominations, but you can create a free account with them and get an API key and connect it to Optuma. Now that will give you limited data options, the free version, but there are different pricing levels that you can subscribe to get more data. So go to again the knowledge base and search Cryptowatch, and actually I'll just drag this across, and this will be the instructions here to set up an account, and away you go. Hope that's been helpful. Any questions, please let us know. Thanks very much.